Missing your HDFC Bank credit card payment can lead to late fees and even hurt your credit score. That's where AutoPay comes in. With HDFC Bank's AutoPay, your credit card bills are paid automatically on time, every time. To set it up, log in to the HDFC Bank app, tap Cards, view all your credit cards, scroll to the one you want, then tap Manage Cards, Manage AutoPay. Choose your payment type, total due or minimum due. Pick your linked account and confirm activation. Want to make changes later? Just revisit Manage AutoPay, update your payment type or account and confirm. Your update reflects from the next billing cycle. To stop AutoPay, simply toggle it off and confirm. You can always turn it back on anytime. Remember these key points. AutoPay activates within 7 days. If payment due date is within the next 7 days, pay manually. Always keep sufficient balance in the linked account to avoid failed debits. With AutoPay, you stay worry-free and never miss a payment. Log into the HDFC Bank app and manage AutoPay for your credit card today.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.